We say people, the AI thing and mash up Kaka eye. The AI thing and mash up Kaka eye vex. Speak my mind, big up yourself. Big up yourself, family. I love how you put MC in our place. The man use AI and style Marcia in the worst way. Now Marcia says she can call FBI, she can call the White House, and she can call everybody at town she can call pan. Speak my mind. Because the man use one AI tool with the president them in night. And rub out MC. You see the man do it neatly. MC, you are real informer in a real life, you know, guys. Like up the content, happy Sunday. You see me? You are real informer in a real life, you know. Now listen me keenly. The man use an AI and style you. That for sure is in a style and a pattern and thing. You can't counter that. What you have to do? Or what should I say? What you plan for the right about now? I have to call police. Call the feds, them and all kind of things for the man. And saying I want him to get the visa. All them kind of dirty bad mind talk there. Eh? I'm telling you, you know, only don't know for go war. Only use on the mouth when I go war and thing. You see me? Only use the AK-47 and the Glock. Joke war in the pan. See there? Speak my mind. Put one pan you. And you ground lay down flat and can't get it back. No joking about that. You see there? The man use an AI tool and rub you out and thing. You know, have no style. You know this thing right now. So you go sit your ass down, Kaka eye. Go and go sit your ass down. You're not ready for social media yet. You love use your mouth too much. Use a big informer. No wonder you have to run from Jamaica and go America. Because obviously means you was an informer, you love chat. No matter what you say, the White House not gonna answer people like you. Eh? The White House not gonna answer stagnant people like you in a freedom country. You feel like the tax you pay alone can make White House answer you. Nobody now look upon you. You don't have no status in America. You don't have no status in America. You is a big clown on social media and see the Queen Bee done tell you about you already and thing. You forgot to talk about the jacket. The time you got to talk about speak my mind and what the AI tool the man is and put in your face and rub it out. Go talk about the jacket. You see me? Up to now the people them still want to know who them record a Suave or what you want to call him. The people them want to know what go on. So the time you waste on social media and focus on AI, you go focus on to give the people them the father, the real pitney and thing. You see me? Because right now you're shame on social media, you know. You say my beat you one by one. If I'm an Ashanti or somebody different. See you know, speak mind drop a bump on you. See there? Queen Bee drop bump on you. You see you lose it. Just leave social media alone, man, and go sit down, man. And I hear think that. What are we or the AI to burn our people? The man do one thing and it's a burner. She can't believe it. The president vice alone the man use. And done her. Just like that. And right now she feel hurt because right now she knows that it's viral. So right now she has scrub her face. Now just imagine how Kaka eye face skin up on the Sunday. Yeah. Boy, you see the boy speak man entertainment. Him use AI tool and I go and come style me, you know. Watch me, I call the White House and thing. I can call any FBI we can call and report that boy. Report what? They're gonna laugh off of you. They are gonna laugh off of you. You see me? The man never used the president vice. Should I said edit the president vice in a negative way. Him do it towards you. Him never do it towards anything at all regarding America, discriminating America, attacking certain things. As some know you not have no damn sense. So the man can't get no trouble. This can't prevent you from getting no visa. A matter of fact, who are you? Your God, you can't prevent nothing at all. Because if you send a video, they're going to get the White House. They're going to laugh for you. They're going to say, "What to this big clown here?" Them not going to answer to you one thing. As me say, you know, have no status. All you do, live in a tent, live in a rent house, and I pay the government tax. You don't have nothing for yourself. You see me? All you do is just show off. Show off but what you have. You don't have one dry shit in your backside. So the man use one AI tool and this year and it's like it'll burn you so much you can't believe it. It's like a shock. Or it'll hurt you so much. But yet still, when I talk about the jacket there, you not about it so much. You need to come out and clear it. The people them need to want to know who CJ father. Them want to know that. Come out and clear up that. The time you have focus on this AI thing, yeah. Come out and clear your blasted name. The people them want to know, them want to know what go on, what go on. Stop making a fool of yourself. The people them want to know who is CJ father, repeat myself again. So the moment and time you there waste and speak my entertainment, you go sort out your life. Because right now social media have it a jacket giver. You see me? I remember if the real father ever find out, so should I say, if the man ever find out, if your baby father ever find out, should I say, the man will not breed you. If you ever find out, so you give him jacket, remember I tell you, caca eye. Remember I tell you, be a beating and bruises you get. You see me? Yeah man, be a beating and bruises you get over there. So go on, stay there and go like a rass idiot and I focus on AI tool. The time you watch AI tool, you know, you learn if you use the AI tool and do the same thing to speak in mind. Eh? And someone knows someone is tough. It's tough. You don't know nothing. What you learn from what you learn on social media, you now learn nothing at all. So the moment and time you come and I come and talk about speak mind, you go find something to do. Speak mind, do film study. The man know if you use the tool and do him for the one thing and you and rub it out. Missing enough people in the comment section and laugh for you. The people them are jeer you. The people them take it for one big clown. If you don't see it, me can't see it, caca eye. You know see the people are jeer and mock you. And they say it's a blasted idiot. You know see that? No sir people. No, a real madman this. A real madman this. It's like she can't believe something like this could have happened before. She can't believe that the man really use an AI tool and style her. It's like she can't believe her eyes. You see me? I saw you going to people. It's when somebody use the technology, them they use nothing at all. So them shock. You see me? But I say again, big up yourself, speak my entertainment, big up yourself. Yeah man, that's how we deal with the enemy them. I say you put them in them place one by one and rub them out. You see me? Put them in them place one by one and make them know what going on, what go on. Because guess what me know? Some of them have nothing about them. Them just have mouth on social media. Social media about badness. Yeah man. These social media them depend on talk pan. And in a real life, coward. Time you talk about speak mind and the AI tool the man use. Go and go find out how to use AI tool and go do something like that and talk pan it and make somebody talk pan it. And make it talk about speaking mind and stop clown and you use the president voice and react and make him this back speaking mind. You don't have no sense. You're dumb. That's why people can always step on you. You're a blasted clown on social media. You see me? That's why I'm not wrong Ashanti for rub you out. I'm not wrong Stacey Cam in the world if you put in a blasted place. And Queen Bee. Yeah man. But as I say again, come forward and tell the people them who are CJ father. Social media still ask the people them want to know. People them want to know. You see me? Cause if you are jacket giver, you know, I'm tell you, man. Remember, I tell you, a judgment will be upon you, you know. A judgment will be upon you, you know. Because Father God don't like sinner, you know. Father God don't like ugly people like you, you know. And that me I tell you, say. So you can go and waste your time on social media and not get yourself in a position for own a house or a land. See me? Remember me tell you cockroach. Remember me tell you judgment coming your way. Because you feel as if you can control nobody. Because the one tool the man use, you know, it's confusing, you know. It's like you can't believe that something really goes so. You can't believe your eyes. You turn idiot. Because what? We don't know about technology. We're not all foot. Big old man like you. No know nothing about social media. I doubt you know what is AI technology. I doubt you know. So you can use somebody's face and picture and make them talk. And you put in typing language. I doubt you know that. You don't know nothing. You just dip on social media like a big clown and big coffee together. See me? That's why Queen being around for expose you and rub out your below. And that me I tell you, say, man. Because guess what? You is a big, stagnant, madman. You don't have no sense. You don't have no pattern. You don't have no style. You see me? That's why people can step on you, so. You love chat about planka bass and other things on your platform. Like you feel like somebody must city and put in your blasted place. You know, see, you're a madman. You're a real madman in real life. But who God bless, no man curse. Continue the way I do, and I swear it I'll put you. You see me? Continue the way I do, and I swear it I'll put you. Because I know say you want trending drama, a wife, your husband. But guys, I'm gonna leave it right here, so. See me? Speak your mind, pick up yourself. I love how you put that cockroach in her place and make sure you know what go on. Right now, she can't sleep the rest of the week, people, because that depends on her mind all the way. Guys, bless up. I'm out.